Hello! Bakery-style moist chocolate cake. Easy and delicious recipe you must try. Let's get started. Making the cake. In a large mixing bowl, beat 4 eggs and 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. One cup vegetable oil, 200 ml. 1 cup milk, 200 ml. Three tablespoons cocoa powder. 1 packet vanilla extract. 1 packet baking powder. 1 to 2 cup flour. Grease your baking dish lightly with some oil, ensuring it's evenly coated. Pour the batter into the prepared dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C, 350 degrees C for about 40 minutes without using the fan setting. 1 cup milk, 200 ml. 1 cup milk, 200 ml. 1 to 2 cup water. 1 to 2 cup vegetable oil, 100 ml. 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it begins to boil. Once it reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and set it aside. Final assembly. Once the cake is baked, allow it to cool for about 5 minutes. Cut the cake into your desired serving sizes. While the cake is still warm, pour the hot chocolate sauce evenly over the entire cake, making sure it seeps into all the cuts. Let the cake absorb the sauce for a few hours to ensure it's moist and rich. Garnish with chopped pistachios and cherries before serving. Enjoy your meal!